Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important and frequently asked topic, that is Indian Army commands and their headquarters. This topic is extremely relevant for defense aspirants appearing for NDA, CDS and FCAT, SSC and other competitive exams, journal awareness and defense enthusiasts. Most importantly, we'll cover this topic with correct, updated, and authentic information, avoiding common mistakes and confusion. So let's begin. First, we'll discuss about what are Army commands. The Indian Army is organized into large formations called commands. Each command covers a specific geographical or functional area, is headed by a lieutenant general. The head of a command is called the General Officer Commanding in Chief or GOC in C. As of now, the Indian Army has 6 operational commands and 1 training command. That makes a total of 7 Indian Army commands. Now let's discuss each command one by one. Firstly, we will begin with operational commands of the Indian Army. The first one is Nadan Command. Its headquarters is in Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. The Nadan Command is one of the most operationally active commands of the Indian Army. Its responsibilities are guards Jammu and Kashmir, manages the line of control, that is LOC, with Pakistan, and handles the line of actual control LAC with China. This command plays a critical role in counter-terrorism operations, high-altitude warfare, border security in extreme terrain. The second one is Western Command. Its headquarters is situated in Chandi Mandir, Haryana. The Western Command is responsible for India's western border with Pakistan, Punjab and parts of Rajasthan. It is known for strong conventional military capability and rapid mobilization and strike readiness. The next one is Southwestern Command. Its headquarters is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The Southwestern Command was raised in 2005. Its key focuses are desert warfare, rapid strike operations, and western sector defense. It plays a crucial role in India's proactive defense strategy. The next one is Eastern Command. Its headquarters is in Kolkata, West Bengal. The Eastern Command is responsible for borders with China, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh, the entire northeastern region of India. This command is vital for mountain warfare, border management, and strategic stability in eastern India. The next one is Central Command. Its headquarters is situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The Central Command acts as a strategic reserve. Its responsibilities are as follows: reinforcement to Northern and Western commands, internal security support, and disaster relief and humanitarian assistance. It plays a key support and coordination role in national defense. Next one is Southern Command. Its headquarters is in Pune, Maharashtra. The Southern Command is the oldest command of the Indian Army, established in 1895. Responsibilities are defense of southern India, training and operational readiness, coordination with Navy and Air Force for joint operations. It also supports coastal and peninsular security. Now we'll discuss about the Training Command of the Indian Army. Army Training Command, ARTRAC. Its headquarters is in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. The Army Training Command, also known as ARTRAC, is the only training command of the Indian Army. Its responsibilities are development of training doctrine, modernization strategies, and preparing the army for future warfare. Every training policy of the Indian Army flows from ART-RAC. Here is an important clarification that Andaman and Nicobar Command is not an army command. It is India's only tri-service command, comprising Army, Navy and Air Force. Therefore, it is excluded from the Indian Army command count. To conclude, the Indian Army has 6 operational commands and 1 training command. Each command is headed by a lieutenant general, and this structure ensures efficient defense, quick response, and strategic control. If you found this video useful, like the video, share it with defense aspirants, and subscribe for more authentic defense and GK content. Jai Hind.